Snapchat login file problem. So guys, if your Snapchat is not working or it is showing in this type of way, oops, something went wrong, please try again later. So guys, first of all, make sure your internet connection is on. You have to check your data, and then if the problem doesn't work, so you have to go to your phone settings. Go to your phone settings and then go to app management or install app. I have app management. I will go to app management and go to you have to go to Snapchat. Here is it. Click on Snapchat and you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK. I mean, you have to stop the force, and then click on storage uses. Clear all the data and caches here, and then you can see here app permission. Click on app permission and you have to allow all the permission here. Now go back, and then you have to go back to your settings, and you can see here software updates. Just click on software updates and see whether there is anything for the update. You have to update it. Yes, I have update. The phone should be updated. So now if the problem doesn't work, then just go to Google Play Store and then search for Snapchat. Snapchat. So here is it. Just click on Snapchat and see whether there is anything for the update. Like if the Snapchat are asking you to update the app, so you have to update it and the problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.